In this video, we'll discuss custom rules and go over examples of how this feature can be used to speed up the allocation process by reducing the need for manual edits. Custom rules can be found in the Settings menu of CostAllocation Pro. Custom rules are a way to set up criteria where edits to employee time data are needed. There are three types of custom rules: split, delete, and edit. The split rule allows you to split a time entry that matches your specified criteria. With this rule, you can take a single line time entry and automatically split that entry into multiple customers and classes. You're able to define percentages for how much time is assigned to each of the customers and classes. The delete rule allows you to set time entries that match your specified criteria to 0. The edit rule allows you to edit a single line time entry. With this rule, you can set criteria to find and replace specific customer or class selections as needed. Here's an example where custom rules would be useful. Let's say an employee, Colin Sick, routinely codes their time to the wrong customer. Colin's time should always be coded 100% to the customer Big Grant. But Colin has selected the wrong customer. To create this rule, click the Add Rule button at the top of the Custom Rules screen. Now, let's give this rule a name. Colin Sick, 100%, Big Grant. You can also add a description if you like. Next, let's decide on what type of rule we want to trigger: split, delete, or edit. For our example, let's select the Edit option. In the Criteria section, let's select Colin for the employee name. Next, we'll use the And option to let CAP know all the criteria must match for this rule to be applied. Select the Any Customer choice for the customer. Use the second And option to require all criteria to match before this rule is applied. Finally, let's set the class to Any Class. After setting the criteria, scroll down to the Actions section. This is where we'll specify how we want Colin's time to be recorded. For our example, we'll select Big Grant as the customer and Community Service as the class. This rule will tell CAP, regardless of the customer or class Colin selects when coding his time, to use the customer Big Grant and the class Community Service instead. Click Save and you're done. And that's how you add custom rules in CAP.